Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can fix a slow download speed in Telegram for Android. In order to do so, here we are at telegram.org/apps, and this is where you can come to download Telegram for Android. To find the answer to our question, let's go ahead and check in with Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions at any time of the top AI models and get the answers you're looking for. According to Cider, if you're experiencing slow download speeds in Telegram on an Android device, here are several troubleshooting steps and tips you can try to improve the speed. First off, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test if one connection is faster. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router or restarting the router. You can run a speed test app to confirm your general internet speed. Or you can clear the Telegram cache. Open up Telegram, go to Settings, Data and Storage, Storage Usage, and Clear Cache. Clearing cache can sometimes help downloads speed up. Restart the Telegram app. Completely close Telegram from recent apps, reopen Telegram, and try downloading again. Update Telegram to the latest version if you are using Google Play Store. Developers often optimize performance and fix bugs in new updates. Or you can adjust the Telegram data settings. You can go to Settings, Data and Storage, and under Automatic Media Download, check if you have restrictive settings. You can enable downloads over mobile data or adjust restrictions accordingly. Disable battery saver or data saver modes. Battery saver or data saver modes can reduce app performance or restrict background data. Try disabling them temporarily by going to Settings, Battery Saver, or Settings, Network and Internet Data Saver. Switch the download server. Telegram content is delivered through distributed servers. Sometimes switching networks might connect you to a faster server, and you can also try reinstalling Telegram. Uninstall it, then reinstall it through the Play Store. This may fix corrupted files affecting performance. Check other background apps. Close other high data usage apps running in the background. These can slow down your overall bandwidth. Use a VPN. Sometimes certain ISPs throttle Telegram traffic. Using a reputable VPN might route your traffic differently and increase download speeds. If none of the above work, the problem might be related to Telegram servers or your internet service provider. You can verify by checking with other users or Telegram support if there are issues reported. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree. There you'll find our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click the referral link there in the Linktree, you can get $50 to open up an account. Once you've gotten started, you can use a referral link and get $125 for referring your friends and family. And they'll get $50 to start as well. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial is a fantastic bank. Comes highly recommended.